Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Falak Shaikh, roll number 58, student of B8 Secondary 1.5, and that's my presentation. My presentation topic is what is percentage distribution? Percentage distribution shows the proportion of students scoring within a certain range, a histogram or a bar chart showing percentage distribution of test scores, shows the spread of scores, helps identify areas where students struggle. It's only the things where we can just use our histogram or the bar chart to explain the percentage distribution. Percentage distribution is a way to show how a total quantity is divided into different parts using percentage. It helps in understanding the relative contribution of each part to the whole. In other words, it shows what percentage of the total each individual item represents. For example, if a class has 40 students and 10 of them are boys, the percentage of the boys is in this way. We have, for example, 10 over 40 into 100 is equals to 25%. So the percentage distribution of boys is 25% and girls would be the remaining one, that was going to be 75%. This method is commonly used in statistics, economics and business to analyze data and make comparison easier. Percentage is the way how you can tell how much percentage thing is there in the total amounts. Then we've got over here understanding the test scores. What are test scores? Title, for example, we have got test scores measures student performance on a particular assessment or exam. Row score simply mean number of correct answers, like scores adjusted for difficulty or other factors. Percentile rank comparison to the other test takers. Remember, test scores simply mean you take out or you just take all the raw data and just identify them in a proper manner so that we can go forward. Then we've got understanding test scores mean knowing that the numbers on the test results represent. Test scores can be shown in different forms such as raw scores, percentage and grades. This helps in the judging how well the student performs. Sometimes scores are also compared using averages, percentiles or standard deviations. These all three things are the way you explain the students the relation between the percentage and the standard testing scores. Understanding test scores helps students, teachers and parents track progress, identify areas that need improvement. Then we have got how to interpret test scores mean how to just identify them. Interpreting test scores involves analyzing percentage and frequency distribution. Frequency distribution simply means how you make the graphs or the panels of it. Identifying areas of strength and weakness, compare scores to national and international averages, track changes and scores over time. Then we have got using percentage and frequency distribution. These distribution can inform instruction and assessments, identifying topics or skills that need more emphasis, develop targeted interventions for struggling students, evaluate the effectiveness of the instructional strategies. Then we have got the comparison of these things. For example, I have made a proper chart over here, percentage distribution graph and frequency distribution graph. It shows the percentage each category contributes to the total. Then we have got shows how many frequency each value or category occurs, expressed in percentage, expressed in counts or the numbers we can say. Then we have got what is the exact purpose of doing this, to understand the proportion of parts to a whole, to observe the number of occurrence of data values. Common graph types mean pie chart, percentage, bar graph, histogram or bar graph. Total sum mean it always add up to 100. The total frequency graph items, if we add up, it's not compulsory it should add up to 100. The usefulness or the exact way why you need it, good for showing relative sizes of comparison, used for analyzing data distribution and frequency trend. That's it for my presentation. Entire topic of the we have got, for example, the percentage distribution. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.